I want you to give a big smile like nothing's going wrong, okay? Big smile. I got you. She's not moving anywhere. I got you.
We are in LA and we in our rental car, hey little boy. We just arrived at the hotel and it's nighttime. It's never nice arriving somewhere at night, is it? It's apparently about 3 a.m. for these kids on their body clock, although it's just gone 5 o'clock here in LA. Anyway, let's see where the wind takes us. 1:40 a.m. This is what a jet-lagged family looks like. Doing a food run at 3:30 a.m. in downtown LA. It's not my idea of fun. And this is all that's open. And the best way out of jet lag, sleep, or lack thereof. The problem with jet lag is that, obviously, as most of you know, it's when your body clock is on a different time zone, so you get really super tired during the day. And the only way to do it is just to suck it up and deal with it. You've got to keep those kids awake and yourself awake during the day, and then go to sleep that night. Otherwise you end up like us, waking up at like stupid o'clock in the morning. So today everyone stays awake the whole day. So this is called the Griffith Observatory. It's a good place to check everything out. Like you scope out the whole area. Hollywood sign right there. Top tip, when traveling with kids, understand this, I know this sounds obvious, but their interests are not your interests. They're doing some hip-hop breakdance thing there, which doesn't interest me in the slightest, but Anna loves hip-hop, she loves breakdance. We're stopping as a family for her. It's taking like half an hour of my life right now to do it for the kids, and that's what makes them happy.
Hey, let's go. Up first, we got Marco.
And happy kids, happy parents.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
This is gonna be so much fun. So everything here is designed to take money off you, and the kids are always like, I want this, I want this, I want this. But the deal is, they have their money. So what we did is we gave them $30 or 30 pounds, depending on where we were, and they can lose or gain points. At the end of the day, we have this evaluation with the kids. Like, you've been good, you get extra points here. We give you 2 or 3 points a day, which is $2 or $3. Or you've been bad, and we use those bad, like, deduction points in the very moment that they're bad. So if they don't listen to me, I take points away, and it's like death to them. It's death. That's all I need. These guys have their money, and if they can buy it, they can. If they can't, they can't. And it makes my life a lot easier. This might look really busy. This is really quiet for Universal Studios. We've come at an extremely low season time. We don't even have to wait for any rides, there's no queues. It's like my jam.
It's almost like her claws on her hands are her fork, and the claws on her foot are like her knife. Back. Elijah came all the way from South Africa to meet Blue. Completely understand. There's nothing to be nervous about.
Hey, do you want me to be with you? I'll stay here, okay? We'll do it together.
You don't have to. It's okay, no, okay. I totally understand. That's totally fine. Guys, give me a round of applause for Elijah coming out to see Blue.
Trying to get Elijah to have this raptor encounter. Like they only choose one kid and they've chosen him. And he's pooping himself.
You introduce yourself to her, okay? Say her name as loud as you can. Get her attention.
Say Blue.
Say it as loud as you can.
Shout Blue.
Blue! Put your hand up like this. Alright? Go like this. Say Blue, speak!
Wow, you did that, boy.
Stay right here, turn your back on her. You're gonna be okay. I'll watch her. You watch the camera right here, and I want you to give a big smile like nothing's going wrong, okay? Big smile. I got you. She's not moving anywhere. I got you.
You're fine, boy.
There you go.
There we go. We 5-5, boy. Well done.
That was great.
You know, I know to many people it sounds really harsh, but I really believe in pushing your kids to do things they don't want to do, but that they do want to do, and sometimes even that they don't want to do, and they don't want to do. Because then they end up happy as Larry that you did the raptor experience. If you don't push your kids to do things, then they're never going to experience things in life and do things off their own steam that they don't want to do. But it's about finding that balance. Like, you don't push them too much, but you just got to push them enough. It's a fine balance, isn't it, boy?